Hi, well, I'm super excited to introduce you to my friend and colleague, Sue Bowser. Sue is the Assistant Director of the Early College Work-Based Learning Program at Slippery Rock University. Hi, Sue.
Hello.
Well, I'm so excited to have you on. This is a great program, and it's fairly new, correct?
Very new. We started July 1st is when I started the position, and our inaugural semester was last fall.
And it was busy.
It was very busy. We had 228 students involved with different work-based learning opportunities, trying to incorporate their college learning with actual job type experience.
Right, which is so valuable. And you know what I love is that this is early college. So we're talking about your target audience for your program are freshmen and sophomores.
Yes. Anyone who had under 60 credits.
Under 60 credits. And I mean, I have kids, right? And you and I have worked with students. I mean, often they say, I'm a business major, but I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing with that. And your program actually kind of gives them practical inside look at what that might look like.
At different positions, we can connect them to Slippery Rock alumni who have those positions or other people in those jobs. They get to find out what really is involved with the job to make sure it's what they want to do when they grow up.
Exactly.
Graduate.
Yeah. So there are these different programs within your program that are offered.
We have different options.
For example, you have like non-credit internships.
Yes.
Can you explain to us what that is?
Okay. Slippery Rock, a lot of the departments offer credit-bearing internships. They're normally for juniors and seniors.
Right.
Because we're targeting first year and sophomore, we can do non-credit internships where they do sort of the same thing, but they don't get credit. It's something that they get the experience. They get to build the network, build connections.
Right.
Which hopefully will build into their credit internship.
Yeah, you never know. You meet someone today, how that person might know someone else, or, you reconnect,
Networking is so important.
Absolutely.
If you're not networking, you're not working.
Absolutely. So true. So what are these like micro projects?
We partnered with a company called Parker Dewey, and they have micro internships, which are short project-based internships.
Okay.
The students can go and see from a list that says that the company maybe wants a 10-hour position and they're going to pay so much. If the student has the time to do it, they apply. If they get connected, they can do it. And it's all virtual, which is awesome for students who are athletes or don't have transportation. It's a way to get that experience.
Okay. And that also expands that companies from like outside the area, if they have a virtual project or something like that, they can contact you.
Yes.
They don't necessarily need to be like in Butler County.
No, it can be nationwide.
Yeah, nationwide. Well, that's wonderful to know. And then there's these other opportunities where faculty can submit a project, right, or a plan, and request some funding, and then connects their students to a work-based learning experience. Could you give us an example?
Well, last fall, we had a busload of students go down to Carnegie Museum, and they got to experience all the different occupations available in the museum. Okay. The museum had never done anything like that before, so they kind of enjoyed having the students and talking about all the different things. A lot of the students were interested in possible internships. Plus, they had their eyes open to something they hadn't done before. We just had students attend the national champion football game. They were working at the stadium. They spent the week getting things set up. What a great experience.
Oh, absolutely. What did they say when they came back?
Oh, they were excited. One student said that he really enjoyed the experience and it cemented that in his heart that he wanted to do it. I was just, so.
And now you also support students through like an internship learning like classes.
Yes, we have a workshop called Internship Ready where we talk to the students. We cover 36 professional competencies that employers want.
Right.
And when the students complete the 4 sessions, take a quiz that reinforces their knowledge, they receive a digital badge that proves they are internship ready. And when they go to their first, day on the internship, they know what to expect and they know how to be just awesome.
Right. Well, you know what I love? I love that Slippery Rock University is taking a very proactive approach in the classroom. They're preparing them academically. And then they have very unique programs like this that are making them workforce ready.
Yes. Because when you graduate from college, what are you going to do?
Right.
Get a job. So you might as well get the experience and get ready.
And what do we always see on job, applications? Experience required.
Right. You
How do
can't get a job without experience, and you can't get experience without a job. Early college work-based learning is working to bridge that gap.
Right. How can the community help, Sue?
The community can help if they think they have an internship possibility. Contact me. sru.edu/WBL, work-based learning.
And I'm thinking like right now, we're into February. And a company might think, oh, we missed it because the semester already started. Is it too late to call now for like something that they want to get started in March or April?
No, we can figure things out.
All right.
That would be awesome.
I knew you were going to say that, but I wanted them to hear it because Sue figures things out. Well, thank you so much for being on.
Thank you so much for having me. I enjoyed being able to share this with everyone.
All right. And good luck.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching this episode of the Butler Buzz. If you want to see more, just click on the playlist button up here. To keep up to date with all of Armstrong Neighborhood Channel, click on the subscribe button down here. Hey, I suggest you do both. See you next time.